Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So today I'm going to show you how to download Steam onto your Windows or any operating system that you have. And it's gonna be a one-click simple installation, even simpler than Steam's official download link. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the process. So I have provided link in the description below for this ninite.com. Go ahead and open up the ninite.com. This is the website where you can download the application in one click. Now go ahead and locate this Steam in the other section. Now here you can see onto the bottom there is a download and run your custom installer. Right below that there is a button, click on get your Ninite. Now shortly after that you can see the download will start to begin and download is complete. Now go ahead and open up this. Now it will prepare the setup. Right after this process it will be a automatic installation, so you don't have to worry about anything. And yeah, that's one click done guys. So here you can see it's installing the Steam and finished. Boom, there you go guys. It's that quick, it's downloaded. So to open up your Steam, go ahead and click on this start icon and there is your Steam. Click on that. Whoa, there you can see guys, our Steam is successfully installed. You are ready to use your Steam. So there you go guys, our Steam is successfully installed. Now it was a one-click installation, simpler than the steam.com download itself. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching. Peace. Goodbye.